Okay, the light phenomenon of factors: reflection, refraction, dispersion of light, and scattering of light. Let me see one by one. Sir, the path of the light is called ray of light. The path of light is called ray of light. If suppose the bunches of light rays, it consists of number of light rays. It's called beam of light. It's called beam of light. So, let me discuss one by one of the phenomena of light. First, we will discuss about reflection of light. Reflection of light. Reflection of light. Reflection of light. How the reflection happens? What are the conditions to achieve the reflection? So, and before that, the reflection only occurs in the polished surface or silvered surface. Do you know one thing? In your house, you are often using the plane mirror. Actually, the pure glass does not reflect anything. Even though you are using the plane mirror, does not reflect the 100%. It reflects only the 90% of images. What is the difference between the normal glass and the plane mirror? So the glass does not reflect. If you are supposed to paste any paint or back surface in the back surface of the glass, if you are supposed to place anything coated, that is a silver coated or whatever the paint, then only the image will be reflected. So the pure glass does not act as a reflector. The reflection of light, how it happens? Only the silvered surface or polished surface. So now I am going to take a polished surface like this. Polished surface. Now I am passing a light ray to the point of on the surface that is a reflecting mirrors. So I am going to fix as a point O. The passing light, that is the incident light, is named as A. From the point of A, the incident light is going to impact on the polished surface. Immediately I am going to draw a normal line to the polished surface, that is a reflecting surface. This is the normal line. This is the normal line. This is the incident ray. When the incident ray is impinged to the polished surface at the angle of normal line, it will be emitted, it will be emerged at the same angle on the other side. So it bounces on the same angle. This ray is called reflected line. So the reflection means the light back bounces to the same medium once the reflecting surface. When the light rays is reflected by the reflecting surface, at the same time the energy will be back bounced to the same medium. So from the A to O, the incident ray is back bounced to the same medium. That is, this is the air medium. So the light will be bounces to the same medium when the reflecting surface is placed. So that's why we know very well about the light has the property of deviation. Once the material is included, the ray will be deflected on the another side. So this phenomenon is called reflection of light. So back bounce the same medium when the particle or when the reflecting surface is included against of the light rays. This is the reflection of light. You should notice one thing. Here, the incident ray and then reflected ray has the same angle. So this should be indicated by I, incident angle, and this should be indicated by reflected angle R. The incident angle and then reflected angle are same. And before that, the incident ray and the normal line and then reflected line, all of the three lines are meet or lies in the same plane. So the incident ray, normal line and the reflected lines are coplanars. So coplanars means number of forces or number of lines lies on the same plane. So incident ray and then normal line and then reflected lines are lies in the same plane. This is the first condition for the reflection. So first condition is incident ray and then normal line and then reflected ray should lies in the same plane. That is a coplanar. That lies in the same plane. And then second condition is the law of incidence. Angle I is equal to angle of R. The angle of incidence is equivalent to angle of reflection. These two conditions, when it is satisfied, then only the reflection will be occur. Okay, students, very important condition. And the next one, sir, the reflection occurs in any surfaces, that is in polished. But this polished surface may be in the form of flat or any others. Now I am going to discuss in a flat medium. When the light rays are impinging to the flat silvered surface. So I am going to pause the incident ray A. It incident on the point of O. It will be reflected in somewhat angle. So before that I am going to draw a normal line. So incident angle I is equivalent to R. So incident angle A to O and then reflected angle rays O to B. Another ray is going to pass in the same plane. So C O prime. The line is C. It is meted to the O prime. I am going to draw a normal line to the reflecting surface. What will happen? The same amount of angle will be reflected. So this is D. OC and then OD. This is the equal values, that is angle I and R. At the same time, I am going to pass one more light there. See? This is named as D. It meets at the point of O double prime. It will be emitted the same amount of angle, that is a reflected angle R, and before that I am going to draw the normal line. So here I equal to R. Here the three incident rays are impinged to the silvered surface. The three reflected rays are emerged. See here, students, all the incident lines are parallel to one another. Am I right? All the reflected lines are parallel to one another. This is a great phenomenon. Sir, let me discuss why you have chosen the flat surface if the reflecting surfaces may be in the irregular form. What will happen? Sir, the reflecting surfaces may be like it consists of number of curves, irregular states. So first I am going to pause the incident line A. It meets at the point of O. Am I right? O. So now I am going to draw the normal line. The reflected light will be emitted the same angle of incident angle and then R. So I and then R. Now again I am going to draw the incident ray. It will be emitted in the somewhat ray angle. So I am going to draw the normal line. I and then R. And then here I am going to draw the incident ray line, and it will be emitted or it will be emerged in the reflector. So the incident ray does not in the form of parallel because it all is in the curved reflector. All the reflected rays are does not in the form of equal parallel sides. even though it obeys the law of reflection. What is the law of reflection? Incident ray, normal line, and then reflected ray. The three lines are coplanar. That means the three rays are lies in the same plane. All are lies in the same plane. Am I right? And the second condition is angle of incidence I equal to angle of incidence R. So the second condition also satisfied. Even though the surface of reflecting is irregular or irregular pattern, flattened surface or curved surface, whatever it is, the two conditions will be satisfied. Then only the reflection will be occurred. Okay, students.